How to contact seller on AliExpress. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can contact seller on AliExpress. Now, for you to be able to do this, the first thing to do is to log in into your AliExpress account, just like you can see on my screen. So once you're logged in on this account, just go ahead and search out the product whose seller you want to contact. Okay, to just search the product. For example, let's assume it is this product. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the products page. Now on this page, by the right side of the screen, you would see next to the follow icon, you would see message. Yes, message. Just ensure you click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the you'll be directed to the products page, where you can immediately chat with the seller. Now, in this chat box displayed, all you need to do is just to type out your complaints or your questions. For example, what type of product is it? Okay, once you type this out, you can just go ahead and send it. And once you send it, the message will be sent directly to the seller. As you can see, a response has been given. This response is an automated response, and that is because they are offline currently. But once they are back online, they would be able to respond to you. So this is how you can contact a seller on AliExpress. Very simple, right? Yes. So go ahead and contact the sellers today. Thanks for watching.